Today is pull day, yeah, back day. So let's get started. I'm going to start out with a concentration curl. This works the bicep. All right, and start like this with your arm on your knee or on your thigh, lower than your knee, and you raise it up past your elbow. I think that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I could do a lot more on the right side, but my left side's weak. So let's see if I can do more here. 1, 2, and see, you can see definition when you do this. 3, I don't know if you can see it, but I can. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I can do more than that. So I did 10 pounds and 10. So the next time I go through it, I am going to increase the weight. All right, so next we have, I'm going to reduce the rest time to about 35 seconds. If y'all need longer, please pause between them all. All right, next we're going to do a pinwheel curl, which I'll show you in about 9 seconds. And I'm going to try the 10 pounders again. All right, so let's make sure I get the other one. Where's my other 10 pounder? Here we go. All right, get 2 dumbbells, and then you're just going to lift them up to your shoulder. Going to do 10 each side. 10 to 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feel like you can do 12? Do 12. All right. Next is going to be bent over rows. 35 seconds. All right, so bent over rows. I'm going to try those with I'm going to use 15 pounds kettlebells. You can always interchange, almost always, interchange kettlebells and dumbbells. It's fairly simple to do. Bend over row, back straight, bend over, all right? Drop your weights down and pull them up to your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you can do 12, do 12. If that is way too easy, then up the weights. All right, so I did 15 pounds. Chest supported incline rows. All right. This works well with a bench. Put it at like a 45-degree angle, somewhere around it. All right, I'm going to use 12 pounders. There's a 15, there should be a 12 and a 12. Get on your bench or a chair you turn upside down. And you're just going to row. Actually, here we go. Just row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Phew, 35-second rest is not enough. Phew. All right, 15 pounds, I did 12 pounds. And this is my app. I've changed my platform. Hopefully within the next month I'll have it out. I'm still testing it. Oh, phew. I can catch my breath a little bit. Next one's easy, but it does a lot of good. Will be dumbbell shrugs. We'll use the 15-pound kettlebells again. And then, since I've got 10 seconds, all right, dumbbell shrugs, which I'll use the kettlebells again. Let the weight hold your arms down and bring your shoulders to your ears. Try to keep the weights off your body a little bit. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Phew. All right. Next is, I don't remember. Put my dumbbell shrugs. I did 15 pounds. And I did 10 reps. Dumbbell rows. Single arm dumbbell rows. Okay. I'll use a 15 pounder. Oh, good. I set my time for too long. I am going to have to keep it. That's 35 seconds, just too short, even when I'm trying to rush through everything. We got 33 seconds left. Side bends. Dead hang. Oh, this will be 8 exercises long, kind of like my core yesterday. One of the exercises I'm going to do is going to be on a pull-up bar, and it's not in here. It is in my kitchen, and I'm not recording out there. All right. Single arm rows, very similar to the bent over rows. Keep your back straight and just pull up. Pull to your chest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we're going to do the other side. That was a little light for me, so I'm going to use a 20-pound kettlebell. Back straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Much better weight. All right, so I did 10. All right, next time I'll do 20. Pullovers. That's 15 pound. Here's the 15 pounder. Whew. And thank you guys for following along with it. This week, like I said, I'm moving my exercises at home from the gym. Want to make sure I can get everything in and can do it. And I need to practice more recording, where I can be more instructional instead of just chatting or chatting. Once I post these, y'all will tell me if I chat too much or whatever. All right, and for all these exercises, I am recording one set. Once I'm done recording, I will do 2 more sets. You do the same thing. That'll end up to be about an hour. If 9 exercises is too many, drop it to 6, but still repeat it 3 times. All right. And message me. I'll tell you which 3 is best to drop if you're going to drop it to 6. All right. All right, dumbbell up like this, or kettlebell. And just drop it behind your back. Keep your elbows together. We're going to do this slow. This one I do for both push and pull because it does work your triceps, your lats. It actually works your chest, which are both are muscle groups that you do in push and pull. And since I think you do both, this is a push and the resistance is a pull. And I didn't count. Let's say 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. All right. I did 15, I did 10. All right. Next is side bends. We will do it with a kettlebell, but keep in mind you can do it with kettlebell or dumbbell. Wait, is that dumbbell? How much is that? That's too heavy. That's 30 pounds. Now, can I do 30 pounds? I don't know. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try. Well, last time I did it, I did 30 pounds. Let's see if I can do it. I'm not going to use the kettlebell. I am going to use the 30-pound dumbbell. And if you don't have enough equipment, please check out my website, www.fitandfearlessover50.com. Everything I have here is on the website. And it's all, that is heavy. It all is pretty inexpensive. Beat for me. All right, side bend. Hold a dumbbell or a kettlebell by your side and just bend. 1, 2, try to keep your body straight. 3, 4, 5, 6. This works more of your obliques than a pull exercise, but I added in. All right, that sounded like 10. Let's go to the other side. 30 is awfully heavy. Oh, cracked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so 30 pounds, I did 10. Wait, that's not it, is it? Did we do all? It's been 20 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I'm going to go do a dead hang, which means I'm going to just hold on. My record right now is 1 minute and 30 seconds. I want to see if I can beat that. But thank you guys for joining me. I hope you do another 2 more rounds and get a good hour workout. If you want it reduced, please message me. I'll make recommendations on what 2 or 3 to drop. Have a great day and I'll see you tomorrow.